the why and what of why this needs to be done, of why we need to switch from Power BI licensing model to a Fabric licensing model. So all of this stemmed during early Q1 of 2024, where Power BI published an article that they're going to retire their existing Power BI capacity model or their licensing model. And as of February 2025, you wouldn't be able to purchase any Power BI Premium SKUs or Power BI capacities through Microsoft or through anybody else, or any license vendors or anybody else. So what that means is, if you have an existing enterprise agreement with Microsoft and you had been using a Power BI Premium SKU, it would still work the same way and it still be in place. But post contract expiry, you wouldn't be able to renew the same contract, but you'd have to put together a new contract in place with a new licensing model and work through with that licensing model for all your BI needs moving forward. And if you choose to wait, you only have 90 days before all your existing workloads are depreciated in your Power BI environment. Or if you did utilize Fabric workloads for a few tasks with your existing Power BI licensing, all of those would be depreciated, and you only have a window of 90 days before you reconfigure capacities to the new Fabric licensing capacity as such.